Open BFC software. Click a mobile number to register. Fill in your mobile phone number. Send a verification code to your mobile phone. Enter the received verification code. Enter the invitation code given to you by others. Fill in the password. Fill in the same password as above. Transaction password. Help password. Remember well. Mailbox registration tutorial. Mailbox. Click a mobile number to register. Fill in your mobile phone number. Send a verification code to your mobile phone. Fill in the invitee. Fill in the password. Fill in the same password as above. Transaction password. Help password. Remember well. Login after successful registration. Assets. Fund recharge. Currency selection BFC. Copy code to your wallet. Copy code to your wallet. Click Submit. Assets. This is converted to BFC. You can exchange currencies here. Convert other existing currencies into BFC. To buy cloud mining machine 2, obtain higher income, select another currency. Enter quantity. Will get the corresponding amount. Enter pay only password. Click Submit. You can buy cloud miner at this tab. Purchase successful cloud miner. Idle the mining machine you purchased and click to run. Investment market. There are many types of cloud mining machines to obtain different high returns. You can choose one. Buy one of them to generate your investment income. There are large, medium, and small mining machines. Buy one of them. We still have more high-quality investment. There are 3 ways to invest here. 1 or 2 need to convert currencies. As mentioned in the previous tutorial, choose high yield. To invest more, enter amount. Click Asset. Withdrawal. Wallet address. Fill in your quantity. Submit. Of course, you can become a recommender and let more friends make money so that you can also become a recommender. Click to recommend copying the invitation code or QR code to your friends.